Thanks for listening in to learn about Teamcenter X manufacturing. Do any of these challenges sound familiar? The need for better collaboration between disciplines, including your supply chain, in working towards more efficient processes? The need to work smarter, optimize production processes, and better predict problems to improve quality throughout your manufacturing facilities? To compete and win in the global markets today, you need to run your manufacturing processes effectively and efficiently while reducing costs, meeting quality requirements, and accelerating innovation. What if you had access to a solution that addressed these key business needs, where you can get started fast with proven integrated solutions where best practices are built in, connecting users in different domains by sharing information seamlessly inside and outside your company? And what if you were able to spend more time focusing on business and less time worrying about the technology? All of this is possible with Teamcenter X. Teamcenter X is Teamcenter on the cloud, operated by Siemens. Instant On PLM means your users can start quickly with the number one choice in PLM, Teamcenter, to collaborate across applications seamlessly on manufacturing processes. And as your business evolves, you can grow your environment and expand to manage more processes without delay. Because Teamcenter X is built using a modern cloud platform, you benefit from the latest technology on the market, ensuring you're ready for today's and tomorrow's opportunities. Teamcenter X enables core PLM capabilities like document management, bill of materials management, workflow, and visualization. Pre-packaged solutions for CAD integrations, requirements, and change management, and more can be added to your environment based on your business needs. And we're excited now to announce that we've expanded the Teamcenter X add-ons to include support for manufacturing. Teamcenter X manufacturing includes industry-tailored solutions with built-in best practices and role-based authoring capabilities, delivered in an optimized and proven cloud environment to help you get started fast. With Teamcenter X manufacturing, you accelerate time to market by streamlining collaboration and ensuring continuity of data, connecting suppliers and partners in a controlled environment. You reduce risks by anticipating issues before they happen using proven integrated manufacturing planning applications. And Siemens does the heavy lifting for you to reduce your costs and limit your IT resource needs. This lets you focus on your business and continuous manufacturing process improvement and innovation, leading to increased margins. In today's highly competitive markets, speed is important. With Teamcenter X manufacturing, you can get started with the number one choice in PLM in a matter of days using pre-configured, easy-to-use industry solutions with best practices built in. These pre-configured solutions help eliminate extended and often costly deployment processes while guaranteeing a stable and optimized environment to support all of your manufacturing engineering needs. These practices are not limited to collaboration with a single location, but can also be extended to include suppliers and partners. Manufacturing planning applications are integrated with Teamcenter X manufacturing to help you make smarter decisions around your manufacturing and assembly planning processes. You get greater visibility to help you reduce potential risk and predict outcomes early on in the lifecycle process. Siemens experts perform all the heavy lifting with the deployment, operations, maintenance, and upgrades of Teamcenter X manufacturing, allowing you to focus on business improvement and innovation. You'll be positioned to address opportunities today and tomorrow with modern cloud software and best-in-class solutions for your manufacturing needs. Teamcenter X manufacturing includes a tailored solution for the body and white use case with automotive best practices built in. It enables seamless collaboration between OEMs, line builders, and engineering houses. And finally, its rapid deployment saves you time and money, again, with Siemens doing all of the heavy lifting. Let's talk more about the body and white tailored solution. As you may know, the planning, design, and construction of a body and white system is a complex multidisciplinary engineering activity. The seamless flow of information across different departments is critical to an efficient development process. Multiple manufacturing applications are often required to facilitate different tasks. The Siemens manufacturing applications, including Line Designer, Fixture Planner, and Process Simulate, will remain on the desktops and connect to Teamcenter X to ensure a seamless and orchestrated flow of information between each application and each functional user, whether inside or outside of your organization. Now let's take a look at a high-level body-in-white information flow. Remember, this is Teamcenter X operated in the cloud by Siemens. You get a pre-configured Teamcenter X environment that's dedicated to each independent line builder. You also have the option to extend access to this environment upon request of the line builder to smaller engineering houses. Using Briefcase Exchange, coordination and exchange of information like products and libraries is enabled across your distributed supplier landscape. Teamcenter X Manufacturing will help you streamline collaboration, start quickly to realize value, and get products to market faster. It will help you make smarter decisions to reduce risks around manufacturing and ultimately reduce your costs and increase your margins, all with SaaS delivery of the world's #1 choice in PLM. Thanks for listening in. To learn more about Teamcenter X Manufacturing, please visit our website at siemens.com/TeamCenterX.